Okay, let's have a look at what we're going to be creating using Adobe Photoshop and InDesign. So this is an online magazine, so it is a URL, and I can turn the pages, and I can also use the hyperlinks that I've set on these pages as well. So I can do that, or I can just use the pages there, which is pretty cool. So as I go through the magazine, I've got a contents page, a cover page, a contents page, a little article that I've written up. And InDesign also allows you to embed videos, which is really, really cool as well. This video, once it loads, I'll show you guys. Actually works better when it's in full screen. There we go. For some reason my video is not the best, and you can scrub through like any other video. For some reason my video is a bit choppy when it's played within the magazine, but if you go full screen it works fine. And then after the video we've got a little image gallery, so if I hover over the pictures here on the right side, the image on the left will change depending on which picture my mouse is hovering over. So that's called an object state, and we finished it off. So that's what we're going to be creating in this video. Now again, you don't have to do this exactly how I do it in the tutorials. If you wanted to change the magazine, create your own content, use your own images, you can. However, if you want to follow along, then you need access, and the images and assets that we used for this tutorial is in a link that's in the description. If you want to go straight to it, you can go straight to this address. It's bit.ly/year7 magazine, and once you're in that, it's a Google Drive account with all the images used, and even the Vogue font, so you can download all the images used for this tutorial. Cool. Once you're ready, let's get started.